Welcome, guys. I hope you guys had a good weekend. This is KOK Party Favors, and I am getting ready to set up. I was blessed to live on a busy street. I guess that's a blessing and a curse. But I'm on a busy street. We get a lot of traffic. So my son is headed over here to help me set up, and we're going to get some of these baskets out and see if we can get some early sales, because it is the first of the month, guys. So I have my living room full, my piano, and my little dining room here. I have it full. Okay, so what I've been doing this morning, guys, I've been getting my folding tables ready, my chairs. My pop-up tents will come tomorrow. I have my banners. I'm going to have these draping over the front of the table. So I have two of those because getting closer to Mother's Day, I'm going to be here at my home with the baskets, and my daughter and daughter-in-law, they're going to be at a different location. So these are going to be my table covers. And I'm just getting ready, guys. All right. And another thing that I decided to do, you all may want to do this too. I saw this on somebody's, some basket maker's page. I can't remember who it was, but I said, that's a good idea. So what I did, I'm going to have this sitting in one of those plastic holders that stand up on the desk. So I'm going to have this, and that gives the shoppers the option to either, they can scan it with their phone, they can do Cash App, Venmo, PayPal. And also, if they don't have any of those, I can just process it like a regular credit card through my Square account. And I had all these already set up because I'm an attorney. Right now, I'm transitioning into part-time. So this is how I collect all my money. So I'm going to do that with the gift bags. And that's going to make it real convenient for anyone to pay. Okay, guys, so I'm just getting ready. I hope you guys are getting ready too. I know a couple of people are still making baskets. It's still early, but I want to just get a jump start on it because, like I told you guys, this is my first holiday selling baskets. And I don't like to run behind on anything. I'm really proactive at a lot of things that I do. So I just want to share this with you guys. Once I get set up outside, I'm going to come back and let you guys know how I'm doing. I'm waiting on my sons to come. Excuse these boxes, guys. This is my Easter boxes that still have not made their way up to my attic. So they're still sitting in the way. All right, guys. Well, I will see you all shortly. Good luck with continue making your baskets, guys. And I hope that we all have a very successful Mother's Day holiday selling. Okay? Please like, share, comment, subscribe.